Habitats and ecosystem for plants and animals. Plants and animals, all living things, have an habitat. An habitat is the place where animals and plants live and grow. An ecosystem is a system or a place that contains all living and non-living things and show how they depend on each other to survive. There are terrestrial ecosystems and aquatic ecosystems. Let's start with terrestrial ecosystems. For example, the desert, the tundra, the rainforest, the forest, and the grassland. Different ecosystems have different animals and plants. Aquatic ecosystems. There are two different types of aquatic ecosystems: freshwater and saltwater ecosystem. Freshwater ecosystems are rivers, ponds, and lakes. There we find frogs, ducks, butterflies, many insects, and some birds and fish. Saltwater ecosystems include the sea and the ocean. There we can find sharks, starfish, whales, dolphins, and many other fish. Remember, the animals that live in fresh water cannot live in saltwater ecosystems, and animals that live in saltwater ecosystems cannot live in freshwater ecosystems. Food chains show how animals and plants get their food. Food chains always start with the sunlight. Then we have a plant, then a herbivore animal that eats the plant, and then one or several carnivore animals that eat herbivore animals that eat the plants that absorbs the sunlight. Let's see some examples of food chains. Here we have the turtle that eats the frogs, that eats the beetles, that eat the plants, or the wolf that eats the rabbit, that eats the lettuce, that absorbs the sunlight. We also have the person, the man, who eats the big fish, that eats the small fish, that eats the plant, that absorbs the sunlight. And finally, we have the cat, that is a carnivore animal, that eats the bird, that eats an omnivore animal, that eats the flies. The fly eats the plant, and the plant absorbs the sunlight.